want to go to somewhere a little bit different, why don't we go to the Sky Garden? Now, as I just walk around, you can see that what's growing is sago palm I've just passed. You've got tree ferns, bananas, birds of paradise, an absolute fantastic show of interesting plants. Lots of ferns, there's passion flower in the middle here. Actually, there's a hosta there as well, but if you just look across, it is absolutely magnificent. And up the top end, we've got bananas growing and all sorts of different plants. I'll just walk slowly up the stairs and you can take it all in. But if you want something different, you can actually get in here for absolutely nothing on a free ticket, or you can even eat in here if you wanted to as well. Interesting to see mind your own business. The Selaginella used as a base plant to cover the floor. Some of the tree ferns have failed here, which is quite interesting. And I don't think I like the contract of looking after this little lot, do you? Just look back there. What a scene. And in the background you can see the whole of London, which is pretty impressive. Now as we come up, we're going to come up and move across to this area here. And here we can see some really large tree ferns and palms going across. You couldn't ask for a better place to have a look at a garden and then the views of London at the same time. I'll just turn around and show you a bit of London. There you are. There's a bit of London. So if you want to trip out into the city of London to see a garden that's up in the sky, go to the Sky Garden. More trips out with World Radio Garden.